My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Dropping the Jordan 1 Tokyos. I got 275 checkouts. This is the most amount of shoes I've ever gotten delivered. So I went for the Sean Witherspoons today. Obviously I came out empty-handed. The only website I really went for was Kith, being that Notify did have the stock numbers, and according to the stock numbers it seemed like I had a decent chance at hitting as long as the bot ended up working. And guess what? The bot did not end up working. It's all good. On to the next one. Here is the shipment today. I'm still kind of keeping it together. I still have room to walk around like I'm doing right now. So it's not exactly 100% out of control, but you know, we're kind of getting there. So I gotta go ahead and unbox these, see what we got. Here are the sneakers that came in today. Tomorrow we do have the Jordan 5. Is it going to be a cookout? Question mark. Well, not for me anyway. I can't really go for any low profit margin sneakers as of right now until I start selling some. But we are still going to be going for it. I'll explain a little bit more tomorrow. So today I'm going to be running the slots for Notify members. Usually it's George that does it, but I'm going to be doing it today because I do want to test Prism. Prism 2.0 had a lot of success during beta despite having so few users running it, and visually it is just a beautiful bot. I've been playing around with the bot for the past few days and I can see why. The resale price for this bot is around $3,000. But today I will be giving it a go, and very soon Notify members will have a group buy with Prism. That means if you are a part of Notify, then you will have an exclusive chance at being able to cop this spot at retail price. But if you are not in Notify, it's okay because you also have a chance to be able to get in on the bot and the group. Prism and Notify is going to be doing a giveaway on Twitter. Just go to the Twitter post in the description and then follow the instructions from there. Very simple stuff. We'll see how this bot works out for me. Oh, there we go. Got one on Kodai. Another one. Oh, I did. That release went alright. However, I did have to stop my tasks early because some of the people who I was running slots for was like, oh, I got too many, you can stop it now. So yeah, I stopped it. By the way, before you fill out some sort of auto checkout slot, make sure that you have your billing profile set up so that you can't actually cop more than you need. So my first impressions with Prism 2.0, first of all, it is such a beautiful bot. As far as like its ability to check out, I don't know what they're doing, but it has to be something different from basically most of the other bots that I use, because checking out seems to be really easy. The only way to describe it is that it just works. Like, the bot just works and works really well. But the question now is, how well will they perform for a drop that is actually much harder and much higher in demand? I guess we're gonna end up finding out soon, because I do like the bot, so I'm gonna continue using it for my future live cops. Yesterday I made 12 sales on Flight Club, all within a few hours. This is so weird. I've never had this many sales all within a short period of time. I thought something was happening to the sneaker market that I wasn't aware about, but it seems like everything is kind of normal. But I'll take it. I do need the money, being that there are many releases coming up, and my bank account is still trying to recover from all those 100 clips that I've been hitting recently. On top of that, I also made a bunch of eBay sales. Here are some of the eBay orders that need to be shipped out, and this is the shipment for today that came in. Here's today's shipment. This actually isn't a lot in comparison to what I was expecting today. It looks like they rescheduled a lot of my deliveries to come in tomorrow instead of today. Anyways, tomorrow we do have the very first week of Supreme dropping. As you guys know, I am the most washed person when it comes to Supreme. I absolutely suck at Supreme. I say this every single time that I go for the Supreme drop, but nevertheless, I will be trying my best anyway to get some of the pieces. The main thing that I'm going to be going for is the Captcha tee. I know that t-shirt speaks to many of us on a deep level, so I'm going to be going for that. Maybe I'll go for some other stuff too. I have no idea, but we'll just have to see tomorrow. Oh, here we go. T-shirts. Where's the verified tee? There you are. Why did I pick extra large? Oh well. Process payment. What? Declines. Oh my gosh, bro. What else is new? What else is new? Check out. Oh my gosh, autofill is working like beautifully right now. Process payment. Bro, what the heck? Bro, it doesn't even try. It just denies me. It's literally sitting and I can't check out. Dude, me and Supreme, they don't like me, I don't like them. That's what's going on. What about the red color? Process payment. Man, what am I doing? Why did I even bother to wake up for this dumb shit? Alright, so a little bit earlier, the UPS guy came through and dropped off around 80 pairs of shoes. So here they are. This isn't even it, alright? We got more on this side. All these boxes just came in. I have no idea how I'm gonna make this work out. Like, I don't even have space to do like the unboxing. Like, I have like this amount of room to work with to unbox everything. And I don't even know where I'm gonna put it. As always, we'll figure it out. So I gotta get to work now and open these boxes. So here's what came in today. Basically everything on the table, and then these 5 stacks of boxes on the floor. Got a few satins, but these are mostly Jordan 1 Smoke Grays and Jordan 1 Tokyos. All of the Smoke Grays that you're seeing that just came in are all GS sizes, so I'm really happy about that. For some reason, everybody is asking to buy my Jordan 1 Smoke Gray GS sizes. No, they are not for sale. I am going to be holding onto all of the Jordan 1 Smoke Gray GS's just because I think there is a lot of room for it to go up in price, and it seems like everybody wants them. So that's a good indicator for shoes that are high in demand. So yeah, I'll be holding on to those. But anyways, in about a few days we have Yeezy 350s dropping and we have Jordan 12s dropping. I'm probably not gonna go super all out on those because I do need to get rid of a bunch of shoes, but we're gonna end up seeing how I do on the next episode.